super easy. This took me, so I didn't do this all consecutively because I can't sit and do my hair for too long. I get bored quite easily. It doesn't matter if I'm watching TV, listening to music, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. I cannot sit for more than 30 minutes. I wanted to quickly go over the products that I used. I love this hair. I used 2 packs of this hair. It's called Expression. I got this from the beauty supply store. I used 2 packs. That's it. 1B, and this is 350, color 350. I didn't use a whole pack of this because I didn't use as much brown or whatever this color is called as the black. And then I love this hair because it's super easy. It's super lightweight. And I don't need to put water in it. Like, I mean, I might, depending on what it looks like in a week, but I just twisted it on itself and called it a day. There's 10 strands per 3 pack. So each comes in 3, 1, 2, 3, and there's 10 strands. So there's about 30 strands of hair in each pack, which is why I only use 2 packs, because I put less than 40. I want to say I put like 45 strands of hair in my head. I use the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydrating Twist Define Custard, which is now like sold out, or they're not making it anymore, but I occasionally will find them at Dollar General and buy all of them because I absolutely love the way this makes my hair feel and smell. The 2 gels I used these are my 2 new loves. I use the red or the Edge Magic on my edges, or like at the tip of my hair. So every time you saw me doing it at the putting something in my hair at the tip, it was this red gel. And then this is what I use, the Shine Jam Conditioning Gel Extra Hold. This is what I use to twist the hair all the way down. So this is at the base of my head. This is for the rest of my hair. I love the combination of these 2. They're great. And then this, I used Lotta Body, the Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, to like lay down some of the flyaways, because I don't like to clip off my end, because that's basically your hair, and so I'm never going to cut that off. So I think total I'm going to round up to 3 hours, but I think it's more realistically like 2.5 it took me to do this whole head of hair. If you're doing more, if you're going to do bigger than I did, it'll probably take you less time than that, because the back took me 30 minutes. I did the middle part of my head probably in an hour, and then the front part took me an hour, so it was 2.5. I think these are called spring twists. I don't know really the difference between the Passion, the Spring, and the Kiki twist, because it's the same method that you're doing to put in your hair, but I guess it's the type of hair that you're using. And this pack says it's springy, like it says springy Afro twist, so I'm gonna say that these are spring twists. Oh, another thing I loved about this hair is I didn't have to like separate it. The last time I did twist, it was like it was this hair I bought from Amazon that was like this blue and magenta and pink. It was a beautiful hair. I'm gonna do it again, but that hair I had to separate myself, and which took some time, that time when I did those I'm gonna call those passion twists. When I did the passion twist, that took some time because I had to separate each strand of hair to make sure that it looked like this. And I love this because the ends are the things that it's already separated. The only thing you need to do is separate the ends, which is, it saves a lot of time. So you need stretched hair. I did this on an old blowout. So as you'll see, I am in the front now and parting my hair. You want to make sure that you get your parts as straight as you can. I am not a great parter, but I try to get it as straight as I can, and if it's not perfect, it's okay. I'm using Shea Moisture's product to moisturize my hair. After I moisturize it, I'm pulling out the red container gel, which is the Magic Edge, to add gel to the base of my hair to get it nice and smooth. After adding gel to the base of my hair, I am taking the hair that I'm going to be braiding onto my strand of hair and separating the ends so it looks like the rest of the hair. And as you'll see, I will braid this onto the ends of my hair and then split it in half and twist it all the way down. I know this first time is kind of fast, but I'm going to slow it down for you in case you just need to see a fast version of how this is supposed to go. So this next twist, I'm going to actually slow it down, and I chose the red hair because it's easier to see my black hair against the red and how I'm braiding it onto my hair and twisting it down. I think I did 3 loops of braids before I split it into twist. That part doesn't really matter. I just did 3 because that's what felt natural to me. You can do more than 3, but I would say at least 3 loops of braids before splitting the hair into twist. You can see I'm splitting the hair in half. As I am twisting down, I'm using not only gel, but I'm also twisting the hair on itself before going into it. Of the hair, you can continue to twist it all the way down until there's no hair left, but I chose to also twist the hair upon itself. So you'll see me make a mini loop and then twist the ends of the hair around itself to secure the hair. So last slow down example of how to braid the hair onto your hair and then twist it all the way down. And you're adding the hair to your head with your hair being the 3rd strand for the braid. Once you do 3 or more loops, you split your hair in half and twist the hair upon itself and then into a 2-strand twist. Once you get to the end of the braiding hair, you can just continue twisting down till there's no more hair, or you can do what I did, which is create a mini loop, fold the hair on itself, and then twist the remaining hair around that strand. If you need to see more examples of this without the slow down version, you can see me twist the last 4 strands of the hair. once I get done twisting my hair, I use Lotta Body foam wrap to lay down those flyaways because I do not cut those flyaways. That is your hair, so it does not need to be cut. And then that's it. But yeah, so that's what the hair looks like, and I love it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's super easy, and I can't wait to see how you do your hair too.